Hi there guys.
Hi guys, so welcome to our channel, Silver Fanatic. Yes.
Silver Fanatic. Yes guys, today's video guys,
it's about the silver craziness
that's going on around guys.
Yeah,
the silver craziness guys, going up, going down, silver squeeze that everybody's talking about. I think the silver squeeze guys would need to really take it serious.
Yeah, it's the glimpse of what is about to happen.
It's really a glimpse of what's about to happen guys. These guys, they are showing us that they can close the tap at any given time guys. So we really, with this silver squeeze guys, really
wake up.
Yes, you need to really catch a wake up guys. It really made us uneasy for us, because we still consider ourselves as new stackers guys, because if you don't have a monster box, you are still a new stacker. That is how I'm seeing it, because we don't have a monster box.
We're not even close to the monster.
We're not even close to a monster box guys. So if you don't have a monster box guys, you can't say you are comfortable, you have enough silver guys. No,
let's continue ourselves as a new stacker.
Yes guys, let's just expect stackers that we need to be silver zombies. Hey, that really made me laugh guys. He said we need to go after the silver guys, because now they're trying to hide it, so we need to go after the silver. So I agree with that 100%. Expect stacker, I really agree with that.
The zombies.
We are one of the zombies. Expect stacker, we're really going after the silver.
Before it's too late.
Too late, because we feel that 2021,
2022 it's gonna be
2021. Okay, all right. 2021, we feel that 2021
it's the last
year. It's a last year for
I don't
stackers,
even
guys.
think it's gonna be finished with all that thing going around.
The silver craziness, because once when people start talking about silver, it's gonna push, it's gonna cause. If people start talking about something, it causes the prices to go high guys. It causes a thing to be in demand, because people are gonna start talking about what is this silver
that people are talking about.
Yes, that was talked about along with GameStop guys.
Yes,
because people will be curious, and then they will be coming after it. Once everybody starts coming guys, prices are gonna go up. We know that everything when a thing is in demand, prices will go up. So we feel that way guys. The only way guys we can do that I find that it's really important is to flood YouTube with videos guys.
Yes.
Flood YouTube with videos guys, because people are coming, they're gonna be looking for information. Yes guys,
that we have about the experience that we have accomplished.
Yes, things that we encountered along with the stacking guys, because this is another experience that nobody will know about it guys. Silver squeeze, because for us it was our first time guys.
It was normal. It
was just something like, what, silver squeeze? Okay, silver squeeze, because it was something first to us guys. We just started recently, and then the squeeze. Okay, we experienced that one. That happened. I won't call it a squeeze, but this one, I think it's a real threat, guys.
Yeah, and they show that they can control everything.
Yes, guys. The tap can be closed at any given time. The tap can be closed at any given time, and then we will not be able to buy silver.
Yes,
we will really be
comfortable.
Yes guys,
they're gonna be the only one who can have access on silver. So we should push more.
Yes, we need to really push more guys. A guy that can be comfortable, it's a person that's like on above 5,000 ounces.
Yeah, guys. Can start being comfortable, but still
that can
you can't get enough of these things. You never know how much is gonna be needed. There's technology that are coming up, so you don't know.
Yes, you really don't know, guys, because
Once
technology.
it's getting use, it's gonna be in demand.
Because yes, technology is a zombie, guys. That Expect Stacker spoke about. It's a zombie. It goes after silver, guys. Okay, so whenever technology starts and they flood the market with this new technology, silver is really gonna be. There will be a shortage. Let me just put it that way. There will be a shortage. So I feel that
Let's not be crazy. Let's just continue.
Let's just stay strong and hard. Yes, guys, because a person that really can be comfortable, it's a person over 5,000 ounces, guys. 5,000 ounces, guys. And we really love this coin.
Beautiful.
Yes, it is. It's a person that's over 5,000 ounces, guys. Okay, I think today's video was just about that. This craziness that's going around, the premiums.
We continue.
Silver going down, going up, squeeze. Because the squeeze was just for people to talk about silver.
Yes.
People to know about silver.
So
I think that was just about that. Just to get the word out there.
That there's silver.
Yeah, that's why they called it fake news. Because it was just made for news. So people know about the silver. What's the silver? Okay. Yes, guys, I think today's video is just about that.
That's true.
Yes, guys, this craziness that is
we're
going
gonna push
around.
more.
Yeah.
Silver fanatic. We're gonna push more.
Yeah, we are fanatics.
Yeah.
Why we will push more and more, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. I think today's video was just about that. I would like to thank our subscribers, guys.
Yes. Thank you so much.
And the guy still on, guys. The guy is still on. Okay.
Don't be left out.
Yes, don't be left out, guys. Okay.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.